Take a look at these videos. These table transformation videos are blowing up on YouTube right now, getting millions of views. And today I'm going to show you how you can create these kinds of viral transformation videos using just one AI tool. Let's get started. First, open the document link I've provided in the description. Inside the document, you'll find two prompts. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate 10 different table transformation video ideas for you. Now go back to the document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. In this prompt, you'll see a section where you can edit the title. Simply paste one of the ideas ChatGPT just gave us and run the prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate all the scene image prompts and video prompts needed for our transformation video. Now copy the first image prompt. Next, open WeryAI. You'll find the link in the description. This platform allows you to generate both images and videos using multiple AI models in one place. First, go to image generation. For the model, I'll choose Nano Banana Pro. Now paste the image prompt here. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs, and image resolution. Then click Generate. Within seconds, WeryAI creates our first image. Take a look. It looks perfect. Download the image. Now copy the second image prompt from ChatGPT and generate the next image the same way. Repeat this process until all the images for our scenes are ready. Once the images are ready, it's time to create the videos. Go to the Video Generation tab in WeryAI. Here I'll select the Kling 3.0 model. Upload the first image we downloaded. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose your video duration, aspect ratio, number of outputs, and video quality, then click Generate. Within seconds, WeryAI creates the first video scene. Take a look. It looks fantastic. Download the clip. Now upload the second image, paste the second video prompt, and generate the next scene. Using the same method, you can generate all the video clips for the transformation. Once you have all the clips ready, open your editing software. Import all the clips, arrange them in the correct order, add a few cuts and transitions, and your table transformation video is ready. And that's how you can create these viral table transformation videos using WeryAI. You'll find the WeryAI link and the prompts in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to WeryAI for more AI tutorials.